Oh, whoa! Look at your dot fish. Oh crap! Yo! Dude! This is insane! Look at that! I need to break all the sound deadening in here. This stuff won't come off other than, you know, you heat it up or dry ice. I think dry ice is the easiest way to do this.
Yeah, it'll literally just come off like there's no glue or anything.
Look, we got the whole back full of dry ice. Dry ice there, dry ice there, there. This is at least 30, 40 pounds, if I had to guess. That's insane. Look at this. One whole freaking piece, dude. There you go, boys. We got all 3 pieces in the back and the 2 up front. Clean, removed. I removed that one in one piece. So if you want to do this, use a lot of dry ice. You could use a heat gun too and torch whatever, but that's a lot dirtier than just doing it this way.